Okay, here we go. Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the 10 to 18 millimeter Canon lens. So here we are. Here's the boxing for the 10 to 18 millimeter lens. And let's get into it. There she is. Ooh, baby. All right, here's the packaging. Pretty spiffy, nifty. Canon right there, beautiful. 10 to 18, 4.5 to 5.6 STM lens. All right, let's get this thing open. Don't need it. Ooh. Now this is not an L series lens. It's not really anything super special. Kind of cheap actually. Look at that glass. Beautiful. Now the main reason I got this lens was just for shooting some commercial stuff for chiropractor that I know. And the lens I had wasn't really wide enough, so I bought this one. And that's really all there is to it. There's nothing left in the packaging. This is everything that came in the packaging. So just the lens and this safety manual or instruction manual or I'm super excited about this lens. I can't wait to start shooting with it, even if it is just a cheapo lens. Gotta start somewhere, right?